In case of substituted cycloalkanes, there is a isomerism possible that is called as cis trans. So whenever we write the names, we need to include that also in the name. Now let's consider this example. So if you consider this, the example here, so first thing, let's write the name. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hex, single bond ane. Since it's a ring system, we write cyclo. So that will be the name for the ring system, that is cyclohexane. Now let's see the substituent. This is methyl and this one is methyl. There are two methyl groups, are 1 and 4th carbon atoms. So we'll write 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. So if you see this one also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. Same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. All three of them will have the same name, 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. But what's the difference? Now let's see. In this case, the bonds are dotted lines. Dotted line bonds means the bonds are going away from you in 3-dimensional space. So this is also going away from you. This is also a dotted line, so it's going away from you. Since both are going away from you and they are in the same direction, we write for this one, we will write it as cis. So if you are writing for this one, you will write cis 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. What about the next one? The dark line indicates the bonds are coming towards you. You can see this is also a dark line, it means coming towards you. So when the bonds are going in the same direction, either coming towards you or going away from you, then you write cis. Cis means same direction. So these bonds are in the same direction. These bonds are in the same direction. So we write cis 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. For this also we will write cis 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. But for this one bond is coming towards you because it's a dark bond and the other bond is going away from you. Since they are going in the opposite direction, we write it as trans. So if you are writing the name for this compound, you will write trans 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane.